What if I told you one of the world's oldest martial arts holds a secret so profound, it defies conventional physics? Tai Chi isn't just about graceful movement or longevity. It's about harnessing three distinct energies to create power that seems almost supernatural. We've all heard about Tai Chi's health benefits: improved cognition, longevity, stress relief, but few realize it's also one of the most advanced martial arts ever developed. How? The answer lies in one word: energetics. While other martial arts rely primarily on physical strength, Tai Chi masters coordinate three human energies to achieve the impossible. Let's break them down. 1. Physical energy, or Jing. Yes, Tai Chi builds strength, flexibility, and reaction time, just like any martial art. But physical energy alone can't explain how a 120-pound master can topple someone twice their size. That's where energy number 2 comes in: Qi energy, Qi or life force. Qi is your body's bioelectric current. Tai Chi cultivates and directs it using yin-yang principles, absorbing force and returning it amplified. Think of an electric shock. It can throw a grown adult across a room. Now imagine the power harnessed intentionally. Fighters describe facing skilled masters like touching a live wire, a jolt that paralyzes before they're sent flying. The third energy is called Shen. Shen is the power of focused intention. Skeptical, consider this. You're lounging by an African pool. Suddenly, a lion locks eyes with you. In that instant, terror freezes your blood. Sweat beads. Your heart drops. That's Shen. Primal, visceral energy projected by sheer will. A Tai Chi master's focused intent doesn't just unnerve you. It disrupts your balance before he even lays a finger on you. Now imagine all three energies hitting you at once. Your structure is mechanically compromised by Jing. Your nervous system is overwhelmed by Qi. Your mind is flooded with primal dread, Shen. This is why Tai Chi is revolutionary. It's not about muscle versus muscle. It's about synchronizing human energetics to redirect force with zero waste. The ancients called it supreme ultimate boxing. Now you know why. Want to unlock this power? Subscribe, find a qualified teacher, or click on this video to watch a 5-minute meditation to awaken your three energies.